In the vast landscape of project management software, Basecamp stands out as a unique and often debated tool. Known for its simplicity, opinionated design, and clear philosophy on how teams should work, it begs the question for many considering it. Who exactly is using Basecamp? Is it for everyone, or does it cater to a specific type of team or project? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Basecamp's user base is as diverse as the projects they tackle, yet there's a common thread that connects them. While it might not be the go-to for highly complex, enterprise-level projects requiring intricate Gantt charts, resource leveling, or deep integration with a myriad of other business systems, Basecamp shines for a particular set of users and situations. The small to medium-sized business, SMB sweet spot. At its core, Basecamp is particularly well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. These are companies that need a straightforward, all-in-one solution without the overwhelming complexity and feature bloat often found in larger, more expensive platforms. SMBs appreciate Basecamp's ability to consolidate communication, tasks, files, and schedules into a single, easy-to-understand hub. They don't need a project management master's degree to get started, and that simplicity translates directly into faster adoption and higher team engagement. Agencies and creative teams. One of Basecamp's strongest user segments consists of marketing and advertising agencies, design studios, web development firms, and other creative teams. These types of organizations often juggle multiple client projects simultaneously, each with distinct deliverables, timelines, and client communication needs. Basecamp's project-centric structure, with dedicated message boards, to-do lists, and file sections for each project, makes it ideal for keeping client work organized and transparent. The emphasis on clear communication and centralized feedback loops helps avoid miscommunications and ensures everyone is on the same page, including the client if they are invited into the project. Freelancers and consultants. For freelancers and independent consultants, Basecamp can be a game changer. Managing multiple clients and projects can quickly become overwhelming, but Basecamp provides a structured environment to keep everything in order. A freelancer can set up a separate project for each client, track tasks, share files, and communicate effectively without resorting to scattered emails and chat messages. This professional approach helps them manage their workload, meet deadlines, and present a polished image to their clients. Nonprofit organizations and educational institutions. Many nonprofit organizations and educational institutions also find Basecamp to be a valuable tool. These groups often operate with limited budgets and require user-friendly solutions that can be quickly adopted by volunteers, staff, and students alike. Basecamp's affordability, especially with its flat-rate pricing, and ease of use make it an attractive option for managing events, initiatives, research projects, and internal communications without a steep learning curve. Teams embracing remote work. Given Basecamp's own deeply ingrained remote work culture, as we discussed in a previous article, it's no surprise that it's a popular choice for fully remote or hybrid teams. Its design prioritizes asynchronous communication, clear documentation, and structured discussions, which are critical for teams distributed across different time zones. It reduces the reliance on constant real-time meetings and fosters a more deliberate, thoughtful approach to collaboration. Why choose Basecamp? The common denominators. Beyond specific industries or team sizes, there are common characteristics among organizations that thrive with Basecamp. Value simplicity. They prioritize a straightforward approach over a feature-rich, complex system. They believe that less is often more when it comes to tools. Embrace asynchronous communication. They understand the power of communicating thoughtfully and intentionally, rather than relying on instant messaging or endless meetings. Focus on project-centric work. Their work is often structured around distinct projects, each with a clear start and end. Needs centralized information. They desire a single source of truth for all project-related communication, tasks, and files. Prioritize transparency. They want all team members to have visibility into project progress and discussions.